Have you ever seen a lipstick on an elephant? 912 Benedict Drive, 7-bedroom, 15-bathroom, 17,000 square foot, $72.5 million, and it sits on over an acre of flat land in Beverly Hills, north of Sunset. If you're new to the channel, I tell you 3 things I like about a property, 3 things I don't like about it, and then I use an AI tool I've created to analyze the neighborhood to add value to you. Should we get going, Harry?
Let's get into it, Arvin. Tell me 3 things that you love about this property.
Number 3 is over an acre flat, Beverly Hills, north of Sunset. This is prime. This is great location, and it gets my number 3. Number 2 is great lot utilization. You have the frontage, you have a huge backyard, you can play rugby here, and then you have side yards that are very generous as well, setbacks. It's gonna get number 2. And the number 1 thing I like about this property, it's its architectural style. As I've said before, I like masculine properties on the exterior, I like feminine interiors, and I believe most people would agree with me in this, but you don't have to, because it's my channel. I decide what it goes. Remember, we've talked about this before. So now, before I tell you 3 things I don't like about the property, make sure you watch to the end, because I'm going to use my AI tool to tell you valuable information about Beverly Hills that you wouldn't know otherwise. Should we do what I don't like?
Let's go, Arvin. What do you not like about this?
Okay, number 3, the price. They bought this property for $16.7 million in 2019. Now, it's gone through a very light remodel, and they want $72 million for it.
Wow.
It's just, when you compare it to other properties like Ridgedale I've covered, you can watch the video, I'll make sure I will link it. It just doesn't measure up, right? And it's for that reason, it's my number 3. Number 2 is, I said it's a great location. I didn't say it's the best street. It's on Benedict Canyon, which is a very busy road. It's not the busiest part of the road where it gets really clogged up. It's kind of wider here, so it's a little bit better, but still, you're gonna get that traffic coming in and out, and that's just not ideal. Now, the number 1 thing I don't like about this property is the fact that they didn't fix the problem when they bought it. Look, they bought it for a good price. They had the opportunity to do the land justice, but they really rushed it. They just literally did a facelift, and not even everywhere. I doubt if they changed the floors on the entrance. It looks old to me, but the main problem of this house is it's been a long house. It doesn't have much depth, and you had this entire yard to make it maybe an L-shaped home, to give it added, make it a little bit different. This is very narrow and long. It's gonna be room to room to room, and hallways and hallways and hallways, like a bowling alley. It's just not gonna do well in this market when it's competing on other properties. And then you price it as if it's the best property out there, when you can go buy Steve Wynn's property for around the same price, which is significantly better than this property. Now, one thing you should know, that the crime rate in Beverly Hills, ZipSmart.ai gives it a D+. That's another metric that ZipSmart.ai, along with mortgage rate predictor, giving you all types of indicators to help you make a smarter real estate decision. And I think version 3.0, when it comes out, it's gonna blow your mind. We're so excited to share with you, and we're gonna raise the prices because it's just that much better for version 3.0. So if you subscribe right now, you'll be guaranteed that low rate for as long as we exist. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, you can watch one of these videos where I covered the houses that I said would be a good comp for this, so you would know why I think it's priced a little bit too high. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Do that right now.